Selling on Redbubble, a print-on-demand platform for artists and designers, is straightforward. Here's a concise guide. Create an account. Sign up for a Redbubble account. You can use your email or link your social media profiles. Artwork preparation. Prepare your artwork or design in high-resolution format. Redbubble accepts various file types, including JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Upload your art. Log in and click Add New Work to upload your design. You can choose which products your design can be applied to, like t-shirts, phone cases, posters, and more. Set prices. Redbubble suggests base prices for each product, and you can set your markup to determine your profit. Keep in mind that competitive pricing can attract more buyers. Add tags and descriptions. Write descriptive titles and add relevant text to improve discoverability. Include keywords related to your artwork. Organize your portfolio. Group your artwork into collections or themes to make it easier for customers to browse your store. Preview and publish. Review how your designs look on various products using Redbubble's preview tool. Once satisfied, publish your work. Promote your store. Share your Redbubble store and products on social media, personal websites, and art communities to attract potential buyers. Engage with customers. Respond to comments, messages, and reviews professionally to build a positive reputation. Shipping and printing. Redbubble handles printing, production, and shipping. When a customer makes a purchase, Redbubble takes care of order fulfillment. Earnings. Redbubble pays your earnings via PayPal or bank transfer, depending on your preferences and location. Analytics. Monitor your sales, track customer engagement, and adjust your strategies based on insights from Redbubble's analytics.